Hi guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here today. Just going to show you today's install, which is on a Peugeot partner, and this is our RBT 5738 model, which comes with a 232 gig of RAM and a 8-core processor. Customers today's gone and added a little bit more extra RAM to 464, the DSP sound processor, and also the built-in wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Now, if you're familiar with our YouTube channel, you'll know that there's a lot of videos up here of this series which shows this particular interface here, so I'm not going to go too much into detail, just to show you how quick and responsive it is and also how it looks in the car. So I'm going to keep it short today. I'm just going to show you the CarPlay application, which is already preset to the customer's apps there, which you can see Spotify, Waze and Deezer, and other apps alike. So I'll just keep it short, as I say, but if you've got any questions, drop them in the comment section down below, or just give us a call on the contact details or email, which we're going to put into the description. Thanks very much, and I'll see you soon.